when you did this, how did you source the staff?
When I started the business, we were using Indeed, Gumtree, and we worked with a couple of cleaning agencies who provided cleaners. As the business progressed, we just started getting referrals from either other cleaners or other cleaning companies. But the key has always been to market consistently for vacancies, because that way you can start building up a database of potential clients. The other thing which we eventually pivoted to was outsourcing completely. But I think it is having 3 or 4 options for support in case of emergencies. So whether that is working with a cleaning agency or working with a couple of other cleaning businesses who have capacity to help you out in a pinch. But fundamentally, try to keep hold of the staff that you have by providing them training and the support, and just understanding them better and getting them to buy into the business, so they don't feel like they need to move on. I think that's going to be key. So then if you've got a core team of cleaners that are always there, then it's going to be a much more solid platform for you to then start adding additional contracts, because if you can make their work schedule more efficient, then it's going to be easier to start adding in more contracts that they can take care of themselves before you even have to start thinking about onboarding additional staff. And that will all come down to, once you've carried out an analysis and you start introducing some of these this software or these additional platforms to help you identify where the inefficiencies are and where you can sort of streamline the process a lot easier. But staff are going to be happy for that. They don't have to travel across town to carry out two-hour cleans, as I gave the example before. I think that's going to be more important, rather than starting to look for staff straight away. Like, look after the people that you have right now.
That's brilliant. I mean, and there are 65 of them anyway.
Yeah,
So
man. I mean, yeah.